Unleash hell, understanding intense English phrases. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a powerful English phrase, unleash hell. It's a dramatic expression you might have heard in movies or read in books, and it's packed with intensity. If you're ready to expand your English vocabulary and understand the nuances of this phrase, you're in the right place. The phrase, unleash hell, is believed to originate from warfare, where commanders would give the order to commence an all-out attack. To unleash literally means to release from a leash or restraint, and hell refers to the chaos and destruction akin to the infernal chaos described in various religious texts. When put together, it metaphorically calls for an overwhelming force to be released. In modern times, unleash hell is used figuratively to describe initiating a forceful action or response. It's not just limited to physical aggression but can also refer to unleashing a barrage of words, a powerful performance, or a figurative storm of any kind. It's important to understand that it's often used hyperbolically and should be used carefully due to its strong connotations. Let's look at some examples to see how unleash hell can be used in various contexts. In a sports setting, the team was trailing behind, but in the last quarter, they decided to unleash hell on the field. During a debate, once the opposition made their point, she was ready to unleash hell with her counter-arguments. In entertainment, the band's quiet start was deceptive, and they unleashed hell with their electrifying performance. If you want to convey a similar meaning without the intensity of unleash hell, consider these synonyms. Let loose, open the floodgates, raise the roof. These phrases are less intense and more suitable for everyday conversation. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and use of unleash hell. It's a potent phrase that carries a lot of weight, so use it wisely. Until next time, keep practicing your English and don't hesitate to unleash your potential in learning this dynamic language. See you in the next video.